Got very nice amplifier in here, but unfortunately the crackling is really bad. So what you do, you need to get one of those. Yeah, this is cleaner. It's cleaning potentiometers. We will clean them and we will have a look how that goes. So yeah, so we need something like this. So amplifier is stripped now. So of course you always need to make sure that power is off the power and it's switched off. Yeah, and then we're going into potentiometers. So make sure you apply a bit, and then we can do all the other ones. So we've got little gaps. I don't know if you can see it, where you can actually apply it, and then, or even from the side, and that one is even better. So it's good to do all of them. So once they're done, then you need to move the potentiometer up and down to work it out. Then do all the small ones as well. While you're doing it, you will notice that they was going really hard, but now they start turning really easily. So that means it's working. Problem is with newer amplifiers, because potentiometers are sealed in, and then you need to strip entire front, get to the potentiometer, strip the potentiometer very carefully, apply the cleaner, and then that will work as well, but it's a lot of more work on the new ones. That one, new older one's so much better, because all you do, you just clean them, and then next 10 years no issues, no problems, when new electronics won't even last that long. Now we need to leave it for about 5 minutes after you've done that, and then we'll come back and test it again. So let's have a look at that now. So we waited for about 5 minutes now, and then so that's the thing, and then let's have a look. So as you noticed before, sound was really bad and crackling before. Now it sounds really good. So let's test all of them. So spot on, job done. It does sound really good now, so all done. Easy fix. Just don't get mistaken it with blown speaker outputs, because that's a bit different. It might be still crackling, but you should have crackling when you moving the volume up and down. But if you've got crackling all the time when the bass hits, that means most likely you damage your amplifier and you blow your output. So that's the difference. So that can be fixed this way. Then you need proper repair, unfortunately. So let's hope that will help you guys. Thanks, and subscribe for more videos.